Bonjour, je suis Angel Viper 1000, also known as Zoe. Today I will explain to you about the verb aller. Aller means to go. It is not hard to learn, but it is a little confusing. First is je vais. Je vais means I go. You use je vais when you're using first person point of view. For example, if I said, je vais au café, I go to a coffee shop. This is the easiest one because you are talking about yourself in a sentence. Then there's tu vas. Tu vas is used when you are saying another person is going somewhere in singular verb form. For example, if I said, tu vas à l'école? Are you going to school? You would only use tu vas when you are talking to a friend. You would never use it when you are talking to an adult. Next is il va. Il va is singular masculine third person. For example, if I said il va au parc, he goes to the park, you wouldn't only use it when you're talking about a guy. Then there's elle va. Elle va is feminine third person. You would only use it when you're talking about a girl. For example, elle va à la bibliothèque. She is going to the library. Here comes the tricky part. There is nous allons and vous allez. Nous allons is only used when you are talking to a group of people in which you are in. For example, if I said, nous allons à un stade, we are going to a stadium. There's a big difference between nous allons and vous allez. Vous allez means you all. Vous allez can also mean that you are talking to an adult. But in this case, you are using it when you are talking to a group of people in which you are not in. For example, vous allez à un gymnase. You all are going to the gym. Notice that instead of an N, there is a V in the first word. And for aller, it's a Z instead of an ONS. Now, it's ils vont. Ils vont is masculine plural. So you're referring to a group of boys or a group of people. So, if you said, ils vont à la plage, this means they go to the beach. If there are boys and girls in the group, you would still use ils vont even if there's a million of girls. Then there's elles vont. Elles vont is referring to a group of girls who are going somewhere. It's feminine plural. So if you said, elles vont au ciné, this means they are going to the movies. I hope this really helped. The verb aller is not really hard once you start practicing it. Au revoir!